Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about Smart Tools. The Trainual app has 10 different Smart Tools that help you enhance your content in just a couple of clicks. And all you have to do is highlight your text and choose one. I'm going to quickly touch on each Smart Tool one by one so you can see how powerful this feature is. So let's say that you've typed out this step about employee breaks, but you want to tighten it up a little bit. And let's take this paragraph for example. You typed out this whole thing about when to take breaks, but maybe at a second glance, you decide that you want it to just be short and to the point. You'll just highlight it, click Smart Tools, and select Make Shorter. In the same way, if you have a shorter blurb like this one here at the top that you want to expand on just a little bit, just highlight it, click Smart Tools, and select Make Longer. Next step is my favorite Smart Tool, Change Tone. So we each have our own way of writing, but our writing might not reflect the tone of voice that we want our training to be in. Maybe we want to sound more professional, more confident, or more conversational. We can actually highlight our text, go to Smart Tools, go to Change Tone, and choose any of these 21 tone of voice options over here. And after we select one, we can just watch our training get rewritten with the delivery that we want. Along the same lines, maybe we're trying to explain a complex topic and we get stuck trying to make it make sense to someone learning about it for the first time. We can just highlight it, go to Smart Tools, and click Simplify. Sweet. Up next is a fun one. If you want to add a little bit of color throughout your text, you can just highlight it, go to Smart Tools, and click Emojify, and Trainual will sprinkle in some relevant emojis, which is pretty fun. You can also make sure that your grammar and spelling is on point. So let's just say that we have employees misspelled right here. You can highlight, go to Smart Tools, and select Fix Grammar and Spelling. And now it's all perfect. Another really cool one is the Translate option. So if you have any non-English speaking employees, you can actually create a whole subject in their native language in just a couple of clicks because you would highlight your text, go to Smart Tools, head to Translate, and choose any of these 25 different languages to translate. Now, let's say that you wrote up a paragraph, but you just don't really like it and you feel like it could be phrased better. Just highlight it and head to Rephrase. And obviously you can do this as many times as you need until you like it. Next up is another really cool one. So let's say that you start typing out a thought, but you're like, what am I trying to say? I don't have the brain power to finish this. You can actually highlight it and head to Complete down here at the bottom. And Trainual actually completes the thought for you, which is pretty cool. And last but not least, if you have a big hunk of text that you would rather convert to a straightforward summary, you can highlight it and click Summarize. Awesome. Well, I hope this gives you some added confidence as you document your training because really all you have to do is start and Trainual has your back for the rest. See you next time.